join me and my dog Nira on an overnight trip to Glacier Lake in Banff National Park. Normally I like to start hikes early to avoid the heat, but due to a concert last night, we didn't start hiking until 2:30 p.m. I would soon regret that choice. The trail is almost entirely through the forest and therefore quite shady, but it also seemed to trap the heat and humidity, and it felt quite uncomfortable on this hot day. If you do this hike and you don't like heat, I strongly encourage you to start earlier. There were a few points of interest during the hike, such as this bridge crossing and this lookout. But the vast majority was just walking through a dense forest without any views. Luckily, there were multiple streams for Nira to stop and cool off during the hike. It took us about 3 hours to get to the lake, and we were very happy when we realized that we were there.
Go to the water?
The lake was gorgeous and well worth the quite boring hike. I relaxed for a while on the shore while Nira very lazily followed this bird back and forth in the water.
Where did the birds go?
I was still really tired from the night before, so in a very uncharacteristic moment, I actually took a 20-minute nap in the sun before I even set up my tent. Nira joined my nap. The evening was still beautiful when we woke up and started making dinner. This video isn't sponsored at all, but I want to give a shout out to Mountain House for making a good tasting dehydrated meal. I've had many terrible dehydrated meals on backpacking trips, so I'd love if you drop some of your favorites in the comments as suggestions. I'll put 4 of my favorites in the caption. Once the sun went down, we crawled into the tent. Nira passed out immediately, but I enjoyed the views for a little while longer before falling asleep too.
I met an old man. I said, tell me your story. Took out an old pen and wrote something for me. Then he kept walking on down the road, and I watched him disappear like smoke. And I thought I'd just seen a ghost. Then I looked down at what he wrote. It said, son, when you grow up you'll be fine. I know you've got questions on your mind. Life is gonna happen one way or the other, whether you like it or not. Stop looking for the answer.